Hi friends, today I'm going to explain about how to become masters in logicals. So the intention of this video is I want to explain about looping concepts in Java. Normally there are three types of loops in Java. Okay, one is uh, while loop, second one is for loop, third one is do while loop. Okay, so I don't want to explain about three loops. I want to concentration only on for loop. Okay, so I'm taking one small example. So print 0 to 10 numbers using normal for loop. Okay, this application is going to print 0 to 10 numbers. Okay, so if you want to understand this concept, you have to basic knowledge on for loop. So then only you can understand. So what the things are happening here. Next, I'm going to explain every iteration what value is coming in nested for loop. So just observe this application. I'm running the application. So this application is going to print 0 to 10 numbers by using normal for loop. So we have to understand one more concept is nested for loop. Nested for loop means the loop which is declared inside another for loop is nothing but nested for loop. Okay. If you are understanding this clarity, so it is nothing. Everything easy. It logicals. Okay. First of all, I'm taking one small program using nested for loop. So I explained about the loop which is declared inside another for loop. The syntax for that nested for loop is looking like this. For int I is equal to 0. So directly I will explain in the application. So okay. Already I have taken one for loop, right? So I am taking here another for loop. For int j is equal to 0 semicolon j less than or equal to 10 j plus plus. Okay, don't keep semicolon in for loop. If you are keeping semicolon here, this loop ends here only. It is the from here to here it is going to become a static block. Okay, don't non-static block, sorry, here to here non-static block. If you are keeping semicolon here, non-static block means it is another concept. Okay, so now I'm here printing I value and j value system.out.println. So first I'm printing j value, here I'm printing I value system.out.println I. So semicolon semicolon. Okay, observe this is for one row, this for loop is for column. Now I'm compiling the application. And now I'm running the application. So observe here, so there are many numbers. I will take less numbers. So I will take 0 to less than 5. Okay, in column side also I will take 5. Here I will keep row. Here I will take column. This is column. So column plus j. When row value is 1, so it is going to print 5 times column. Observe now. Now I'm compiling the application and running once again. sorry. So observe here, first when row is 0, column is starting 0 to 5. So when for loop is ended here, so it is going to out from the this for loop. Now one for loop value is incremented. Now row is 1. When row is 1, again column value should start from 0. Okay, column. Okay, when 5 times iteration completed, it is going to come this outer for loop. Now row value 2. So in this way it is going to take up to 5 rows and 25 columns. Okay, same way if you want to print this type of pattern, so star 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 4 stars 5 stars. So I want to print this pattern by if I given input is 5. Okay, in by making input 5, I want to output like this. Okay, so writing programming is not a matter. First of all we have to create from this pattern. So what theory comes from this pattern? Observe clearly. So first of all observe how many rows and how many columns. 1 2 3 4 5. So total 5 rows. Next columns 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 rows 5 columns. So the loop should be, row should be iterated 5 times and column should be iterated for every row 5 times. Okay, this application will print directly this pattern. How it will print I will explain. So when I value 0, it starts from 0 to 5. That means when it is row is 0, column value print 0 to 5. Okay, observe here I'm removing system.out.println. ln, why I'm removing ln means, ln means line. For every line it is going to print in next line. So here also I'm removing ln. So I don't want this line because I don't want to print anything at row time. I want to print only in column intervals. Okay, in the column interval I'm taking only star. Observe, if I'm taking like this, output should come all stars in only in single line. Observe the output once. Sorry, java c tested.java. So observe here, I explained that all stars should, all stars are came in single line. So my intention is I want to get output like this. So if you want to get output in for every 5 stars, it should come in next line, right? So when this first time it's ending, so here after this you have to keep one system.out.println. Okay, this line is nothing but when this column is ends. So when 5 stars completed in one row, so it, this for loop is going to end and next it is going to come, it is going to come to next line. Okay, now observe, now I am running the application, it will give our expected output. Okay, this is our expected output, right? The intention of this video is I want to explain about nested for loop, because in the next video I'm going to explain about somewhat uh, butterfly. So how to print a butterfly using Java code. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for logical thinking. And another subject level in depth subject in less time I'm going to inject you. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.